Hi, Tom here from GembaDocs. This is a quick video on how to set up the approval process with tags in GembaDocs. This feature is just at the top end of our pricing plan scale. So, you go into settings and you hit approval process required, and then you set up your approvers. So we have a couple already set up, but we can choose an approver from our list of currently invited employees. And there we go. So there we've added, and I could remove John, or I can manage the tags that person is going to be consulted on for approval before things go live. I'll leave John on the front desk. So that's the setup for approvals. And then when someone raises an SOP, when they create a document from here, then it'll go to the approvers, will receive a push notification and an email, and it'll sit in pending until that gets approved by all the necessary people for that tag. So hopefully that's clear. And any questions, just get in touch.